Cowboys don't cry, and heroes don't die. Good always wins, again and again. And love is a sweet dream that always comes true. But if life were like a movie, I'd never be blue. I gave you my love, that was not enough to hold your heart when times got rough. And tonight on that silver screen, it'll end like it should. Two lovers will make it through, like I hope we would. And here in the real world, it's not that easy at all. 'Cause when hearts get broken, it's real tears that fall. And darling, it's sad but true. But the one thing I've learned from you is how the boy don't always get the girl